guys, just kind of goofing around the shop today. I'm trying to keep Monday as shop administrative days going forward as long as I can. You know, when I get busy this summer, I won't be able to do that. But just kind of clowning around today. I organized the garage a little bit, kind of got some stuff. You can see my sheet metal back there all stacked up. Just trying to keep my floor space clear because I can't stand it when I can't see the floor in my garage. It sucks. And got all my service stuff for tomorrow. I got 3 stops tomorrow, parts to put in. My first stop, I have a God, which one am I doing first? I'm doing the train. I got a train circuit board, a flame sensor, and I'm going to do the igniter while I'm there, just so they're all new. So she's good. You know, we're coming out of the winter season, but make sure that she's good going forward for a little while. She's a good customer of mine. I did install the furnace. I did the AC portion. And she's got a maintenance contract with some other company, and they try to jack her like they usually do. So she's going to use me going forward on that, which she never really asked. And unless a customer asks me for maintenance yearly, I don't really offer it, just because I couldn't keep up with it if I did. And then my second stop is going to be going to that Bosch M15 I showed you the other day. We're going to get that circuit board swapped out for them. And hopefully that's the last one. If it's not, I'm probably going to yank that system out and put a N18 sear in for her, because I don't want my customers getting pissed off at me any more than they already are. So we're going to go do that. And then after that, I got a blower motor on an old Coleman Evcon manufactured home furnace, the old EH units, EH series electric furnaces. Real simple. In and out. I'll be in and out there probably half an hour. So as long as the motor comes out like it should, which I got a nice Polar. I know some of you guys, including, well, Mr. Ted Cook and I think HVAC guy, they don't like to use Polars, but I do. It's easy. I don't ever have to spray them or nothing. Put my Polar on, a couple turns of the wrench, done, out, get the new one in, call it a day. So I got that tomorrow. Again, I showed you guys. I'm showing you guys today a little bit of the stuff that I do on days where I'm not out in the field, cleaning up the shop, organizing stuff, and then just giving you some of my brain knowledge that I've achieved, that I have acquired over 30 years in this industry. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm going to try to quit bitching about things so much. Life is good. Let's have fun. Let's have fun with it. And hope you guys have subscribed. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button, hit that like. Sorry about that, guys. Not sure where I got cut off there. So as I was saying, if you haven't subscribed, please do. I appreciate anybody that's following me. You know, I'm doing my best at this, and I hope you guys do enjoy the videos that I put out. Please subscribe, like the videos, hit that like button. That gets more people watching. Share to your friends, family, enemies. I don't care. Just get the word out, and I'll keep putting daily videos together for you. And until then, I'll see you on the next one. Okay, guys, just doing some shop organizing today. That's about the cleanest my floor's been in here in a long time. I got all my metal stuff all stacked over there. Got my line sets all organized, and just I should have a better system for that, but it's okay. Got my weight bench, which has been collecting dust, but I'm going to pull that out, start doing that along with my push-ups. Now that I have this stuff all clear, I can start reorganizing my shelves that I haven't been able to get to in a long time. Believe it or not, there's a little other table back there of stuff that I could organize. But oh, my actual sheet metal table, I need to organize that. So let me show you what I got for tomorrow. Again, these are all those tools that guy had that I didn't know he had. So tomorrow on one job, I have this indoor blower motor to put in, OEM. This is on an old Coleman EH series electric furnace, one of the older style. And then I have this circuit board. This is for a train, not my install. It had a couple of burn marks where the inducer plugs into the board, and the inducer would come on randomly when it shouldn't. So I'm going to replace the circuit board. I told him not to give me the igniter. I didn't need it, but I'll swap it anyway since I'm out there. And then the Rarity replacing a flame sensor, but the old one had some pitting in here. It looks like it's getting ready to fail. So we'll replace that as a just as a preliminary deal to make sure that it doesn't fail in the future. Sorry. And then this is the circuit board for that M15, Bosch M15 heat pump. That's the inverter board for it. So I got all that to do tomorrow. And if I can get another circuit board in by this afternoon, I'm just waiting. UPS might be dropping off. I might have another one to do. So circuit boards are dying left and right. It's ridiculous. Pulled out 2 of my other little bags. I think I'm going to turn that guy into a little service bag. That'll be kind of a backup installer bag. I might get my brother set up since he's been helping me more, and get the tools split up so he's not grabbing out of my bag so much. I have pretty much 2 of everything, so pretty much 2 of everything in there. So I'll get some stuff moved over to there. Got some ladders out, and then still got these guys back here. I didn't get them out today. You know, today was kind of just an administrative day, trying to get all this stuff set up for tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a very busy day. But I'm going to get these out and move these guys. Wind's picking up. We're supposed to have a windstorm today. I'm going to put them... I think I'm going to put them right there. And I'm going to keep them in my way on purpose so I sell them quicker. Let's get them out. Alright guys, as you can see, you know, she's fairly new. She was only installed in her house maybe 3 months. And like I said, they were just never going to be happy with it. So I'm not sure if I got video of the I don't think I started my videos yet when I installed this. But it was nice of them to you know, take them back and not give me a fuss. I mean, I'll say that about them. Condenser's in really good shape. I'll clean them up. I'll pull them up, service them, hose them off real good, and you know, give somebody a discount on an install of these because they're in perfectly working condition. Already got the heat strips installed in those. So let's load the truck up with our service stuff here. I'm gonna get my table. I'm gonna get all this stuff reorganized like I usually have it, and yeah, this kind of it's kind of what's the word I'm looking for? Therapeutic. That's the word. Therapeutic to get stuff organized somewhat. All my beer cans there. Shh, don't tell my wife. Alright, let's get these parts loaded up. We'll be ready for tomorrow. That's much better. Not perfect, but better. At least if I need to build a fitting this week, I can. And then I got all my pretty maids all in a row here for tomorrow. I always try to put the customers' names on each of the boxes, that way I don't get stuff mixed up. Got my main tool bag there. I'm gonna set that up for my brother, and I'm gonna make that one my little service bag at some point when I get around to it. Fill up some of these other pack outs back up and see if get myself a little more organized. The problem is I start running out of room, and I hate climbing up in there to get them. So whatever. So just kind of one of those days. So I keep 2 of the nitro tanks on my truck. Obviously, you know, my one with the gauge on it, and then a backup. And then I have 2 more I keep in the shop with gauges on it, just in case I have some issue out in the field. And then I actually have underneath my cans here, I have another tank down there. So I got lots of nitro. And then I also keep, I don't know, I've showed you. So I got my torch sets on the other side. And like I showed you before, that's kind of, my brother put that in there kind of precariously. I won't leave that. But I like to keep, you know, my 410A. I don't keep 22 on the truck just because I don't run across it too often. And then I got my backup each, full tanks of oxyacetylene. And then obviously there's my nitro. And they all squeeze into this nice little compartment good. So I'll show you the other sides. It's been a while since I showed you guys any of the truck. It's kind of getting disorganized now. There's my torches I keep there. I got my scale and my tubing benders there. Underneath here I got my my fish tape. Just a good place to put it. No other reason. And then my all my Milwaukee stuff's in there. I need a better system for that because it kind of, I don't know, kind of beats them up. It's not really professional to keep them like that. And this bin, it's kind of get messy. Vacuum pump, extra roll of thermostat wire, some Pookie, all my tapes, screws, all my wire ties. This stuff just gets, it gets disorganized. And I think my cab's locked, so I can't show you what I got on the inside now, but just that kind of day, organizing stuff. I got another backup 3-ton M20 air handler Bosch there that I think I just accidentally clicked 2 when I was ordering one time. I'm like, I'll just hold on to it. So I got one. Maybe I can give a customer a deal on it or something. We'll see. I got a couple of extra humidifiers here, extra old ream coil. I got a zone damper there. I think that's actually a bypass damper. But I might have a little sale, put an ad on Marketplace for some of the other HVAC guys to come get some of my stock. All that crap over there is the crap that Gensco wouldn't take back that day. So couple temporary little AC units for the summertime for people to get their AC going if I can't get their equipment swapped out soon. A couple of pads there. And over here, I got a bunch of little mini split pads. Some sheet metal fittings that I fabricated over time that I never used. So all kinds of little, I got a lot of stuff. I really need to go through everything and minimize because I don't like that. I don't like that. I got lots of flex I use. I'm not a big proponent of flex anyway. I only keep that for jobs where I'm doing where I only put 5 feet on the end. There's no reason for me to have full boxes of flex really. I got a bunch up there too. So won't bore you too much more. Here's all my gas piping stuff here, which I'm in electric country, so we don't do a ton, but when I do, I got my Milwaukee M18 threader there. I got all my attachments, reamer, cutters, big pipe wrenches. I got my oiler there, little nipple tray, raring to go. I can pretty much do anything as long as it's 1.25 inches and below gas piping that you need. Full service HVAC company as a one-man band. That's what you got to be. Make yourself self-sufficient, and that way you can go out and make some money, which I'm definitely going to do this spring and summer because this winter's kind of sucked.